Unmasking narcissistic mind games. Beware the Hoover. Have you ever found yourself being sucked back into the toxic clutches of a narcissistic relationship? Beware, for you may have fallen victim to the elusive technique known as hoovering. Hoovering, like a seductive vacuum, draws you in, making you believe that things have changed and that the past no longer matters. But beneath its superficial charm lies the sinister truth. It's time to unmask the narcissistic mind game and take back control of your life. Just imagine yourself as a free bird soaring above the clouds, liberated from the games that they play. You deserve to be free from their grasp. But how can you determine if you're currently being hoovered, lured back into their web of manipulation? Ask yourself this. Are they showering you with excessive affection and promises of change, only to repeat the same patterns of abuse and control over and over again? Examine their actions closely. See if they are using love bombing, manipulation, guilt, or any other tactics to draw you back in. Awareness is key, and by recognizing the signs, you can empower yourself to resist their insidious games. Join the countless survivors who have escaped the clutches of hoovering, and together we can piece back our lives and find our true selves once again. You are not alone. Thank you for watching.